Ever found yourself scrolling, wishing you could catch that game or show only available on YouTube TV, but you're stuck north of the border? Getting YouTube TV in Canada isn't as straightforward as signing up for a Canadian service. As YouTube TV is primarily a USPSED product, however, there are ways to access it, and we're going to break them down. The most common method involves using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN allows you to connect to a server in the United States, making it appear as though you're browsing from within the US. Here's a step-by-step of how to generally approach this. First, choose a reputable VPN service that has servers in the US and is known to work with streaming services. Next, sign up for a subscription to your chosen VPN. Once subscribed, download and install the VPN application on your device, whether it's your computer, smartphone, or smart TV. When you're ready to watch, open the VPN app and select a server located in the United States. Connect to that server. With your VPN connected to a US server, you can then go to the YouTube TV website or app and attempt to sign up. You'll likely need a US billing address and a US payment method to complete the subscription process. Now, it's important to acknowledge potential limitations. YouTube TV's terms of service may prohibit VPN usage, and access can sometimes be inconsistent. Additionally, some content might still be geo-restricted based on your IP address, even with a VPN. If a VPN isn't your preferred route, or if you encounter issues, consider exploring alternative streaming services that are officially available in Canada and offer live sports and popular channel services like DAZN for sports or Crave for a broader entertainment package. Might be viable options depending on your viewing needs. So, while not officially supported, with the right tools and understanding of the process, watching YouTube TV from Canada is achievable. But always be aware of the terms of service and consider your alternatives. Happy streaming!